Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the third standard English, that is unit 2, about the small creatures. Already you have completed the first lesson. Now we are going to see about small creatures. What do you mean by the small creatures? You know, that insects and flies and so many insects. The name of the insects: dragonfly, housefly, firefly, mosquito, grasshopper. You take your book, page number 88. See the picture here, the second lesson. That is, so many insects are there. Insects and flies. This is snail, bumblebees, ladybug, butterfly, mosquito, grasshopper. Then here in this play, housefly, dragonfly, spider, golden beetle, firefly, caterpillar, beetle and rainbug. So these are the creatures, small creatures. This is insects. So there are so many types of insects are there and creatures. You have seen the snail, you have seen bumblebees, bee you might have heard, ladybug, ponvande, then mosquito, you know, butterfly, grasshopper. Most of the insects we have seen, this housefly, spider, then golden beetle, ladybug is one day, golden beetle only is one day, then firefly, mini pooches solvanga. Night la pata it will make a shine, and caterpillar, beetle and rainbug. So in this lesson about a dragonfly, the lesson name is the proud dragonfly. Proud dragonfly. Say the lesson name of the lesson is the proud dragonfly. So this proud dragonfly, proud and that is showing, saying something, thinking about himself very high. The garvama irukkudu, tannatane garvama solikkudu. Proud, thinking about himself as a high opinion about garvapatta solikkudu. That is the proud dragonfly. So the dragonfly was very, very proud about his nature. Na ipdi irukken, na apdi irukken. Like that, it's very proud. So this dragonfly, what is living near the ponds with his friends. Pond enna theriyum illaya. So in the pond, so many insects are there, creatures, small creatures are there. So they are conversing. So this dragonfly is talking with his friends. What is talking and what happened to the dragonfly in the end? Because of this proud, what happened to the end? Take a page number 91. Keep your fingers on the line. When I read out the line, you keep your fingers on the line so that you can easily follow the lesson. A blue dragonfly lives near a pond with his friends. Blue colored dragonflies lives near the pond. Kulam kuttai ஏரி சொல்லுங்க மாதிரி pond சின்ன குட்டை ஓடை மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுல குட்டை. That is, it lives near a pond with his friends. Who is living in a friends? A blue dragonfly lives with his friends. Where it is living? It's living in a pond, near a pond. He is proud insect. I told you, he is very, very proud about himself. Tannatane perumaiya nenichikirukku. It's a proud insect. What type of dragonfly it is? It is a proud insect. One morning, as he was enjoying the sun, sitting on a lotus leaf, a butterfly comes by. So one morning it was enjoying in the sun, sitting on a lotus leaf in the pond. See the picture. You see the picture. That's why I ask you to take the book. So ask your parents to buy the books, children, so that when I taught you can take your book and see the colorful pictures they are given. How colorful this is. This is sea here, the water is here, the trees and plants and colorful insects are there. It's very beautiful to look. So what this dragonfly is doing one morning, as he was enjoying the sun, sunlight it's enjoying the sun. How he is enjoying? Sitting on a lotus leaf. And a lotus big leaf will be there. So sitting on a lotus leaf, it's enjoying the sun. At the time, a butterfly comes that way. See here the butterfly. So suddenly, what the dragonfly is telling? Hello butterfly, you look sad. Is it because my wings shine in the sun? So what the dragonfly is telling? Butterfly, you are looking so sad. Why? Is it because என்னோட wings வந்து sunlight பட்டு shining இருக்கா? Is it because my wings shine? என்னோட wings, my wings is shining in the sun. In the dragonfly oda wings are shining, no. So on the shining பார்த்துட்டு this butterfly becomes very sad look அப்படின்னு this dragonfly is asking, what, why should I feel sad? Butterfly, what's the butterfly is telling? What, why should I feel sad? I know that I am very beautiful and colorful insect. Suddenly the what butterfly is telling, what, another, why should I feel sad? நான் ஏன் கவலைப்படணும்? Why should I feel sad? I know means the butterfly is saying it knows that it's, everybody knows that butterfly is a beautiful and colorful insect. Okay. So, and it flew away. And ant speaks as he is on his way to his ant hill, carrying food for the winter. Ant, and ant, you know, erumbu. It takes sometimes in your house also we might have seen that even the drops of the sugar or rice, it takes small bits, at bits nu solla mudiyadhu. Some minute இருக்கும் அந்த minute sugar pieces or bits that will carry the ants, that carries the ant for his food. And ant speaks as he is on his way. So ant வந்து on the way ல போகும்போது this seeing his butterfly, I mean dragonfly on his ant hill, அதோட food எடுத்துட்டு அதோட எறும்பு புத்துன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, that is called the ant hill. So that ant hill கிட்ட போகும்போது carrying food for the winter. Surely you can find some work to do, can't you? So the ant is talking to dragonfly. What it's telling blue dragonfly கிட்ட பேசும்போது, you can do some work, no, surely you can do, you can able to do the work, can't you? உன்னால முடியாதா? All that you do all day is to sit there and feel so proud of yourself. What you are doing there? Always sitting all the day and sitting proud, உன்னை பற்றியே பெருமையாக நினச்சிருக்க. Why don't you go and do some work? அப்படின்னு this ant is asking. But what this dragonfly is telling, ant, you poor little fellow, ஐயோ நீ ரொம்ப poor little fellow. என்னது? You have to walk around your thin legs on your all day. So ant has got very thin legs, no. So what this dragonfly is telling, you poor little fellow, you have been walking all the way around. Daily நீ walk பண்ணிட்டே இருக்க இந்த thin legs வச்சுட்டு. You don't have a beautiful shiny wings like me. What is telling? You don't have any wings. Ant doesn't have any wings, but this dragonfly is telling that you won't have any wings at all. So you don't have a beautiful shiny wings like mine. How sad. என்ன மாதிரி உனக்கு வந்து shining beautiful, you don't have the wings. How sad it is. It's telling. So by the time, the next thing, a ladybug flies low near the pond. At the time the ladybug is coming here. You see, this is a ladybug. So a ladybug flies low near the pond. Near the pond, it is also coming. So suddenly dragonfly saw this ladybug and said, what it's telling? Hi ladybug, don't you wish you were as slim as me? So what the dragonfly is telling? உனக்கு ஆசை இல்லையா என்ன மாதிரி ஒல்லியாக இருக்குது? Because ladybug will be, see how it is fat, little bit fat and round. So this dragonfly seems to be very slim and thin, no? So don't you wish, உனக்கு ஆசை இல்லையா, as you were as slim as me, என்ன மாதிரி ஸ்லிம்மாக இருக்கணும். What is ladybug is telling? Sits it, and I am as happy as I can. என்னன்னா இப்படி இருக்கிறது, I am happy. இப்படி இருந்தாலே I am so happy. நான் எப்படி இருக்கணும்? That will be happy. A bumblebee buzzes by happily. Suddenly a bee is coming, buzz, making the noises by happily. You better stop boasting about your looks, dragonfly. My wings are good enough for me. So what this bee is telling? You better stop boasting. எல்லாத்தையுமே பெருசுப்படுத்தாத. Okay, பெருமையாக நினச்சி பெருசுப்படுத்தாத. You better stop boasting about yourself. உன்னை பற்றியே நினச்சிட்டு don't think about and talk about yourself only. So the bee get angry and it's telling, you better stop boasting. Stop that. You say, how to say this? You better stop boasting. உன்னை பற்றி பெருமையாக சொல்கிற. Just leave that habit and look your looks, dragonfly. மற்றவங்களை பற்றி இந்த மாதிரி தப்பான சொல்லலாம். Looks. My wings are good enough for me. And the beak and wings are very small. No, here it is. See, this is enough for me. It's telling. Bumblebee, you must be bored with your yellow and black color body. My wings change color during the day. This dragonfly is telling Bumblebee, you must be bored because Bumblebee is having the color of black and yellow and black stripes. My wings change color during the day, but dragonfly colors will be changed during the day. So, this bee is telling you better stop boasting about yourself. உன்னை பற்றி பேசுறது you just stop it. And your looks, உன்னோட லுக்ஸை பற்றியோ உன்னை பற்றியே பேசுறது, better stop it. My wings are good enough for me, the bumblebee is telling. Okay. And then beetle squeaks as it's come by. Suddenly the beetle is coming there. Beetle squeaks, it's making a noise. Beetle, each bird is making. Bumblebee buzzes, beetle வந்து squeaks. Okay. So, beetle, you scared me. Please don't come near me like that again. So, then the beetles சத்தம் போட்டுட்டே வரும்போது, ஐயோ, they scared me, you make me afraid. Please don't come near me, don't come near to me. என்கிட்ட வராத like that again. அந்த மாதிரி don't make a noise and come near to me. The dragonfly is saying. But what beetle says, we are all wonderful in our own way, just as you are. இல்லை உண்மை இல்லையா, we are all a wonderful creature. Each one of the insects are having their own way. Each one has different colors, different shapes, everything. So they have their own way, just as you are. நீ எப்படி ட்ராகன் ஃப்ளை, ஹவ் யூ ஆர் ட்ராகன் ஃப்ளை, நீ எப்படி இருக்கிறியோ அது மாதிரி நான் வந்து என்னோட இதில் ஐ எம் ஓகே ஆஸ் ஐ ஆர். ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் வி ஆர், இட்ஸ் டெல்லிங். Then what happened then suddenly, a hungry chameleon means pachandi, that is எப்படின்னாக்கா whenever it goes near the trees or any place it changes its color. Okay. So an hungry chameleon walks in quietly. So quietly a chameleon walk அந்த இடத்துக்கு வருது, where near the pond. Wow, what a colorful dragonfly. He is so foolish to sit near the rock and talk to his friends. He is my lunch for the day. So what suddenly chameleon is saying here, near the pond, here the lotus leaf is there. In this lotus leaf only, this dragonfly is sitting on the lotus leaf. Nearby that, a chameleon is looking all these things and it's watching there. What it's telling, what a colorful dragonfly. It's a blue dragonfly, no? So this chameleon is telling, what a colorful dragonfly. She is so foolish to sit near the rock because it's sitting nearby. The chameleon எங்கே இருக்கோ அதுக்கு பக்கத்துலேயே அந்த ராக்ல the dragonfly is sitting there. So he is so foolish. பைத்தியக்காரத்தனம். ஏன்னா dragonfly பக்கத்தில் chameleon இப்படி எப்படின்னா அதோட if it gets hungry, it's open his mouth and around the tongue, so it will catch its prey and eat. So he is so foolish to sit near the rock. தப்பா வந்து முட்டாள்தனமாக வந்து ராக்ல உட்காந்துட்டு dragonfly and talk to his friends கிட்ட பேசிட்டு இருக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். He is my lunch for the day. ஸோ பக்கத்தில் இருக்கும்போது தட்ஸ் chameleonக்கு அன்றைக்கி லஞ்சுக்கு அப்படியே அந்த dragonfly-யை சாப்பிட்டுடுமா. ஸோ he is my lunch. என்னோட லஞ்ச் வந்து dragonfly தான் நினச்சிடும். The chameleon catches the proud dragonfly with a sticky tongue. So on the dragonfly, chameleon the tongue will be very sticky. So if it's open its mouth and swinging its tongue, and the insects irukko, and the insects பிடிக்கும்போது it will get stuck and போய் அப்படியே ஒட்டிக்கும். That type of a tongue the chameleon is having. So what happens, the chameleon catches பிடிச்சிருச்சு the proud dragonfly. யாரை பிடிச்சது, அந்த dragonfly, proud dragonfly. With this sticky tongue, அதோட tongue வச்சு பிடிச்சிட்டு it munches and eats the dragonfly. Munchesனா மென்று சாப்பிட்டுடுச்சா. ஓகே, chew பண்ணி மென்று சாப்பிட்டுட்டு chomp chomp chomp, it's making the noise like that. Okay, so there's all the other creatures. The butterfly is here, bumblebee, ladybug, ant, the golden bug, and then chameleon, everything is here. Okay, so all are very worried. Ayyo, in the chameleon, the dragonfly வந்து இப்படியே ப்ரௌடாக பேசி ஃபூலிஷ்னஸ்ஸாக இங்கே போய் உட்காந்து மாட்டிக்கிச்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த லெசன் ஃபார் யூ. So you know the insects name. What are the insects we are seeing here? So we are seeing the first insect. What's the first insect that's coming near? First one is the butterfly. Which one? The butterfly. Insects name. What are the insects you have learned in the scene in this lesson? Butterfly, then dragonfly. Okay, so learn the spelling. Dragonfly, then ant. Then next what insect is there? Ladybug. Then bumblebee. So pronounce these words, children, so then you can know the names of the insects. Bumblebee, then beetle, then chameleon. So chameleon. So what are the insects we have seen in this lesson? Butterfly, dragonfly, ant, ladybug, bumblebee, beetle, chameleon. Okay, can you understand? Butterfly, dragonfly, ant, ladybug, bumblebee, beetle, chameleon. So you can learn the spelling like this. Butterfly, B-U-T, but, T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Next is dragonfly, D-R-A, G-O-N, gun, dragon, F-L-Y, fly, dragonfly. Okay. Next, A-N-T, ant, we have already seen. Then lady, L-A-D-Y, lady, B-U-G, bug, ladybug. Then bumblebee, B-U-M, bum, B-L-E, bumblebee, B-E-E, So in bumbly in சொல்லக்கூடாது, B-L-E, இங்கே E வந்து silent. So we have to pronounce the word bumble, B-U-M-B-L-E, bumblebee. Then beetle, B-E-E-B-T-L-E, beetle, okay. Then chameleon, chameleon, C-H-A, you should not say cha, because H is the silent, chameleon, chameleon, okay. Butterfly, say it again, I am pronouncing another time. Butterfly, dragonfly, ant, ladybug, bumblebee, beetle, chameleon. Okay. So this is the lesson for you. So I'll read out the lesson now. You go through the lesson. A blue dragonfly lives near a pond with his friends. He is a proud insect. One morning, as he was enjoying the sun, sitting on a lotus leaf, a butterfly comes by. Okay, so you can learn this insect's name. Name the insects in this lesson. Okay, name the insects. And now I'll learn some of the words. So, pond, P-O-N-D. This is the D words you can learn, children. P-O-N-D. Pond. Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Proud, P-R-O-U-D, proud. Insect, I-N-S-E-T, insect. In morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Then enjoying, E-N-J-O-Y-I-N-G, enjoying. Sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. Okay, then leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. So the first paragraph only we have got the D words. Pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Then friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Then proud, P-R-O-U-D, proud. Insect, I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Enjoying, E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. I-N-G-ing, enjoying. Sitting, S-I-T, sit. T-I-N-G, ting, sitting. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Okay. And the next word is wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. Shine, S-H-I-N-E, shine. Because, B-A-B-C-A-U-S-E, because. Should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should. F-E-E-L, feel. Then beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Colorful. Okay, children. So learn the dictation words. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.